to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Fastest Engine, Episode 13. Today's competing engines are the Mystery Engine, Talking Reboot Diesel 2, Billy, Coco, Black Hugo, Glenn, Reboot Donald, and Hank. So let's get started with the quarterfinal. The Mystery Engine versus Talking Reboot Diesel 2. Welcome, James the Red Engine. Next up, Billy versus Coco. Black Hugo versus Glenn. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Reboot Donald versus Hank. 4 engines remaining. Semi-finals time with Reboot Diesel 2 versus Coco. Coco is off to the finals, but who will she face? Glenn or Reboot Donald?
I think it's Reboot Donald.
Let's find out and see. Oh, you were right. It was Reboot Donald. Final round, Coco versus Reboot Donald. Who's gonna win this? Coco is the winner.